Hello, my fellow classmates and Professor Myrick. This is Gavolia Powell. And as you can see, the image that I chose is By Any Means Necessary. I chose this image because this has been a long journey for me. I have overcome many challenges to get to this point. This is my last lecture on the ladder. So I'm only 2 semesters away from graduation. I am pretty much standing at the finish line, and by the grace of God, in 2019, I'm going to cross over. So what are my final reflection on this course? Without a doubt, this class has exceeded beyond my expectation. Professor Myrick, you are a class act as always, and one of a kind. And my fellow classmates, you guys are phenomenal. What did I learn from weekly discussions, readings, speakers, presentations, and conversations, which I enjoyed each and every moment? I learned that working with older adults is as diverse as working with any other age range. However, it is important to remember that older adults aren't just one group of people with the same needs. Some may just need information and advice about local services, while others may need more complex interventions. As a future social worker, it is our responsibility for safeguarding adults from harm, reviewing current care in place, carrying out mental capacity assessments, and being the first point of contact. We are to focus on their well-being and to seek and maintain and enhance their quality of life. How will I apply this information in my future practice? Well, the first thing is determine what the client's needs are, then meet them where they are, and apply assistance and aid, one step at a time. I'll always do my best, give 100% and more. Well, I guess it ends here. On Saturday, we will go our separate ways and hope that we will see each other somewhere in the future. I wish everyone the best. God bless, and take care.